You've had this matter for well over 2 weeks.
Ndumiriri ya seneta wa Kakamega Cleophas Malala mbere ya kamiti ya ugitiri bunge-ini ya Senate ikiumagario na maithori niwe tumite atongoria ruhonge rwa ugitiri marutirwo thamaji ya gutariria kiria kingituma Senate ikiambiriria kiumia kingi gia kugeria kuhitukia ikereka ria gatatu ria ugai wa kigina gia thirikari cia matura ciiko cia kwagagia maseneta ciambiriria gwicokera.
After all this, somebody says that I planned with the police to forge, that I stage managed my arrest, surely, that I even sent the police a PIN number. Mr. Chair, I carry a heavy heart with me.
Agitariria maundu maria makoretwo makimuma thutha ciugo ciake cikihana tari mbica cia thinema. Malala aroiga ati ngari ciina maabitha 5 a borithi cikoretwo cikimuma thutha kuria guothe arathie magicemanagia na nene a honge na ikiro itiganite ruhonge-ini rwa ugitiri magitariria wira wao na iguru ria uguo makahunio na irio na njohi mikawa-ini ya goro. No na kuria uguo atongoria ruhonge rwa borithi moigite ati maritwa maria Malala aroiga ati ni mama abitha ao matioikaine ruhonge-ini ruru tondu abitha o wothe wa borithi ndamenyekanaga na ritwa riake indi amenyekanaga na namba yake ya wira.
So I want the DCI, the Mr. Kinoti, to state before this committee, and it should be on record. Did you send those officers to come and arrest me, yes or no?
In the event of a commission of an offense, where any police officer within his powers feels that a certain person has breached law, has committed an offense, he makes an individual decision.
He knows there's a process. Let us not use here to say yes, then we become again. There's a process and this affects him as a person.
Urugari wa giikaro giki ucoketie maundu thutha nginyagia muthenya uria maseneta maikirio ngono muthenya wa guikiria kura mutaratara wa gatatu wogai wa kigina gia thirikari cia matura na magikwira ati ino yaya gukorwo noyo njama yarirwo muthenya wa keri kiumia giki igeria-ini ria 10 ria kuhitukia mutaratara uyu maseneta marenda kuingira muthenya-ini uyu matheranire ngoro na maabitha borithi.
But I'm disappointed, my brother, because of what is happening to our police service. Read Article 245(2). You are supposed to exercise independent command over the National Police Service. What is your understanding of independent command if you'll come back here today and are not sure who sent instructions for 3 senators to be arrested on the same day?
That constable you see there, who is awaiting perhaps to be promoted to the next rank of a corporal, the same powers that I have is the same powers which that officer has. We are all called police officers in law.
If we are to sue the police service for the harm caused to this gentleman who is going to go for an operation, you will take responsibility as the IG for the actions of your officers.
Mahahura maya gicunji kia maseneta gikoretwo gikiuga ati no njama ya gutuma macenjia mirugamo yao ndereti-ini ya ugai wa kigina gia thirikari cia matura iria ibangirwo gugacirirwo muthenya wa keri. No maseneta maria marang'ethanira naguo makirahira uingi wa namba cia kuhugwithia rita ria 10 manyitiriire ati gutire mucoro ona wirigirirwo kumatindika atia ugutuma maregerie mirugamo yao.
One ingredient of a police officer is humanity. In the event as a police officer, and I'm talking about myself and on behalf of the entire National Police Service, the moment you lack that ingredient of humanity when you are policing, then you are an enemy of the public.
Inappropriate for us to discuss that with the media, because whoever is a hitman against Malala should not know what we are planning to secure him, because
So we are going to meet on Wednesday morning at 9.
Icanjama iria irigicĩirie ndereti ya ikereka rĩa gatatũ rĩa ũgai wa kĩgĩna gĩa thirikari cia matũra cituranĩirwo hamwe na mĩrũgamo mĩrũrũ ĩrĩa ĩhandĩtwo nĩ maseneta ciracorera mũndũ ikĩro cia mũbango ũyũ wothe ũkĩingĩra igeria-inĩ rĩa 10 rĩa kũũhĩtũkia. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV ndĩ mũciĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Nairobi, njĩtagwo Wawerũ wa Nyambura.